Okay, so the utilities in a caravan or camper trailer are very important. So let's run through what they are on the 2024 UEV-490. So we have a gas Fagati instant hot water system. You open that front hatch door, which has a little safety switch in it, which is very important. You hit the hot water and instantly you do have hot water. That works really well. We have two 125 amp hour lithium batteries. Now you can configure these a little bit differently with the batteries. There are a few options there. Two 125s work really well with the 80 litre fridge, miles of power, especially with the 200 watt solar panels on the roof, and then a portable folding solar blanket as well. We also have the Red Arc Red Vision system and Manager 30 in this. The 2024 model 490 doesn't come with the TVMS. So the Red Vision system does all your battery monitoring. So your inputs and outputs, gives you a percentage of battery life left. And the Manager 30 does all your 240 and DC to DC charging at the rate of 30 amps, combining that with the solar on the roof. We also have obviously a water pump for your tap, which is continuously hooked up. So you slide that kitchen out and your tap is ready to go. You do have to plug your gas into your gas cooktop, but that's pretty straightforward. That works really well. And you also have an airbag system in the 490, which you can use to inflate your tires. So entertainment wise, we have a TV inside, a stereo, plenty of USB ports to charge the phones and iPads and things like that, even outside. We also have a 240 power point on the passenger side of the van, your 240 input on the driver's side of the van, and two fans off for the main bed. So it is really well appointed as far as electrical goes, and it all works really well, especially with that 250 amps of lithium batteries. Let's have a look at the lighting in the 490. It's actually quite special, especially in the awning. So you have these little fairy lights in the awning. We have down lights in the composite roof on the inside. We also have a light in the pantry. It's very well lit up and definitely functions quite well. So you have 150 litres of water in tanks on the 490, plus two 20 litre jerry cans on the rear, which we tend to use just for drinking water. 40 litres of drinking water we've found in most situations is more than enough. It keeps it separated from the water in the tanks, which you can then use for showering and washing up. That's the utilities ticked off in your Conqueror 2024 model UEV 490.